The city never sleeps at night. It's time to begin.
This was a bad idea.
What? Hey guys, it's Aarti and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And this is Nishant.
Were you saying something?
Dude, whisper challenge.
Arey ha.
And this is Nishant. He has been on my channel before.
Ice cubes and female products.
Yep.
Quality videos, go check them out.
He has a channel as well, so do subscribe to his channel as well and show some support. So in this video we're doing the whisper challenge, and it is a pretty old challenge and I've seen it in so many videos and it's hilarious and I wanted to try it, so here we are trying it. And basically what you have to do is one person has to basically whisper a sentence or a phrase or a word and the other person has to guess it, but we'll have to wear headphones and listen to loud music so that they won't be able to hear it, but you know, guess by the lip movements.
So should we talk like this now?
Yes. So let's begin.
So let's begin.
Okay, so to decide who goes first, we obviously have to do the rock, paper, scissors.
The classic game of rock, papers and
Yes.
scissors. So rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
you won. Okay.
You can't hear a word I say.
What?
Aarti is such an amazing person.
Have you started?
No, now I will.
Down.
I'll start.
Huh.
Love you, Zindagi.
Love you, Zindagi.
सुना एक थे?
I can't listen to it.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Dude, that was
No.
spot on. That was spot on. Holy shit!
My ears.
Dude, that was spot on.
You
yaar.
just said holy shit together.
That was really spot on. Wow.
Oh. Listen. Okay. Easy. See?
Again.
Easy, peasy, lemon, squeezy.
The elephant.
Easy, peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Woo! Let's go. The elephant. I was like the elephant. I was like the elephant. What? And then you go like. Like-
He's wearing a lemon t-shirt. Like, what are the odds?
I was like squeezy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's peanut butter jelly time.
What?
It's
It's
peanut butter jelly time.
slowly. One word. It's peanut. It's peanut butter jelly lemon and lime. It's peanut butter jelly lime. What? Sing this time. What?
Don't sing.
Time.
It's peanut butter jelly time.
Oh God. Oh.
You know, we tend to speak so much louder when there's music going on.
Yeah, me too. I'm starting.
Huh.
Tell me all your secrets. Tell me all your
Slowly, one word.
tell
Lay.
tell
Legs.
me
Like you. Like me.
Tell me.
Huh?
Tell me. Tell me. Ishan, tell me. Tell me all your secrets.
Lost.
Tell me.
Same pinch. Red Cross.
What? Tell.
Huh?
Guess something.
Ha.
Guess.
Guess.
Tell.
10.
Tell. Tell.
Low.
Tell. Tell.
10. Len.
Tell.
10.
I'm doing tell. He's doing 10. Tell.
Hell.
Tell.
Toe. Tell. Huh.
Me.
Me.
Tell me all
Tell me all.
your.
Tell me all your secrets. Woo!
That's the hard one.
Yeah, I was like L. I was like, what's L? Hell.
10.
This is a little difficult one.
Arey, wait. My song.
Ready?
Yeah.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.
What? By order of the Peaky Blinders?
What even? What even? This was the difficult one. Holy shit.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.
I guessed by order and I was like, then you were like, it's like that thing in permanent roommate. तुम पड़ा 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 निकल ही जाती हो.
तुम कितना फास्ट बोलती हो यार, तुम एकदम निकल ही जाती हो.
It was like that, and then I was like, by order. What is by order? By order. What could it be? And I was like, by order of the Peaky Blinders.
I respect that.
Yay! Ready? Labradoodle.
Lime.
Labradoodle.
Lamp and sushi.
Labradoodle.
Liposuction.
What? Labradoodle.
Labradoodle.
Yes!
Alright, the next one. Are you ready?
Slowly. You're beautiful. Mama. Mama. You're a beautiful boy. Baba.
You're beautiful, Baba. You're beautiful, Baba.
You're beautiful, Baba.
I was like, Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Because you were like, and I was like, okay, maybe I should do Baba, Dada, everything like that.
I thought you're beautiful would
No,
be enough for
I
you.
got it. I was like, Baba. I was thinking about my Baba. I was like, why are you saying my beautiful Baba? I was like, oh, tripling. Okay. Blue is
Blue eyes.
greener than red.
Blue eyes hypnotize. Blue is
Greener than
in.
green.
Huh?
Greener. Green.
Blue is
Greener.
in the
Greener.
lin.
Greener.
Green.
Greener.
Green.
Greener.
Yo.
Greener. Green.
In. Greenier. Greenyard.
Greener.
In the.
Greener.
In here.
Green.
In. Green.
Greener. Greener.
Inner. Blue is inner. Greener.
No, wait. Greener. Than purple. Than purple. Purple. The color you can't see.
Blue is greener
Than purple.
lime pebble.
Than purple. Ooh!
Blue is greener than
Purple.
purple.
Yeah!
Blue is greener than purple. Holy shit, in the That was mad.
That was a hard one. Subscribe to my channel.
Partly correct.
Dude, I have the same one in my list. The last.
हळू बोल मला ऐकू येतंय.
I am excited. The last one was my same.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes,
Seriously?
I can show it to you. Subscribe to my channel. What? This is crazy.
This was bound to happen.
I know, right? And I was like, I'll keep it the last so that you know it will be a kind of a subtle
Same.
plug-in of subscribe to my channel.
Same.
What? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave us suggestions like for more videos and everything down below in the
Yes.
comment section, and let us know how you find it. And subscribe to his channel, subscribe to my channel. Do give this video a huge like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Crazy how we wrote the same one.
Alright.